Before you start a YouTube channel, there are 7 things every successful creator should know. Ignore these, and you'll waste months, maybe even years. 1. Choose a clear niche. A niche is the main topic or category of your YouTube channel. Instead of creating videos about everything, focus on one specific area such as gaming, technology, fitness, education, cooking, or travel. Having a clear niche helps viewers understand what your channel is about and gives them a reason to subscribe. When you consistently upload content around the same topic, YouTube's algorithm can better identify your audience and recommend your videos to people who are interested in that subject. This increases your chances of getting more views, subscribers, and engagement. Example: if your channel is about mobile gaming, most of your videos should be related to mobile games rather than mixing gaming, cooking, and travel content on the same channel. Key takeaway: a focused niche helps you attract the right audience and grow your channel faster. 2. Understand your target audience. Your target audience is the group of people you want to watch your videos. Before creating content, ask yourself, who am I making videos for? Understanding your audience helps you create content that matches their interests, solves their problems, or entertains them in a way they enjoy. When you know what your viewers are looking for, you can choose better video topics, use language they relate to, and provide value that keeps them coming back. Viewers are more likely to watch, like, comment, and share videos that feel relevant to them. Example: if your audience is students, you might create study tips, educational tutorials, or productivity hacks. If your audience is gamers, focus on gameplay, tutorials, reviews, or gaming news. Key takeaway: the better you understand your audience, the easier it becomes to create videos they will enjoy and share with others. 3. Content planning. Don't upload random videos. Plan your content in advance by creating a list of video ideas and deciding when you'll publish them. Content planning helps you stay organized, upload consistently, and avoid running out of ideas. For example, if you have a gaming channel, you could plan: Week 1, game review; Week 2, tips and tricks; Week 3, gameplay challenge; Week 4, new game update. Before recording, write down the main points you want to cover so your video stays focused and easy to follow. Keep a notebook or document where you save new video ideas whenever inspiration strikes. Key takeaway: a creator with 30 planned video ideas will always have an advantage over a creator who starts thinking about content only on upload day. 4. Basic video editing. Video editing is the process of improving your raw footage before uploading it to YouTube. Good editing helps keep viewers interested by removing mistakes, long pauses, and boring moments. Even simple edits can make your videos look more professional and increase watch time. As a beginner, focus on learning, cutting unnecessary parts to keep the video fast-paced, adding text and captions to highlight important points, using background music to make videos more engaging, adding transitions and effects where needed without overusing them, improving audio quality, since viewers often forgive average video quality but not poor sound. For example, if you record a 15-minute video with several pauses and mistakes, editing it down to a clear and engaging 8 to 10 minutes can make a big difference in viewer retention. Key takeaway: you don't need Hollywood-level editing. Clean cuts, clear audio, and simple effects are enough to make your videos more enjoyable and professional. 5. Thumbnail design. A thumbnail is the small image viewers see before clicking on your video. It acts like a movie poster for your content. No matter how good your video is, people won't watch it if the thumbnail doesn't grab their attention. A good thumbnail should be clear and easy to understand at a glance. Use bright colors and contrast to stand out. Include a strong image that relates to the video. 6. Title. Writing. Your video title is one of the biggest factors that determines whether people click on your video. A good title clearly tells viewers what the video is about while making them curious enough to watch. A strong title should be clear and specific about the video's topic. Highlight the value viewers will get. Create curiosity without being misleading. Use keywords that people might search for. Be short and easy to read on mobile devices. Examples: weak title, my new phone. Better titles: best budget phone, under $250 in 2026. I tested this phone for 30 days. Here's what happened. 10 hidden Android features you need to know. Avoid clickbait titles that promise something your video doesn't deliver. While clickbait may get clicks, viewers will leave quickly, which can hurt your channel's growth. 7. YouTube SEO. YouTube SEO, search engine optimization, means optimizing your videos so they appear in YouTube search results and recommendations when people look for related content. It helps your videos get discovered by the right audience without paid promotion. To improve YouTube SEO, focus on 1. Keywords and title use words people are actually searching for. Example: how to edit videos on mobile instead of my editing journey. 2. Description optimization. Write a simple description that explains your video. Include important keywords naturally so YouTube understands the topic. 3. Tags, supportive role. Tags are not as powerful as before, but they still help YouTube understand your content category and related topics. 4. Spoken keywords in video. YouTube can recognize what you say in your video. Mention your main topic clearly in the first few seconds. 5. Engagement signals. Videos that get more watch time, likes, comments, and shares tend to rank higher because YouTube sees them as valuable. Example: if your video is about mobile gaming tips, make sure your title, description, and content all clearly focus on mobile gaming, not unrelated topics. Key takeaway: YouTube SEO is not about tricks. It's about clearly telling YouTube and viewers what your video is about so the right people can find it.